To create a video, start by opening the specified website and signing up for an account. Once your account is created, your dashboard will be displayed, where you can select the Idea to Prompt option. Enter a prompt, such as create a YouTube video about animal history, and choose the desired video duration. Keeping in mind that videos longer than 1 minute require a plan upgrade. After clicking Next, a window will appear with various settings to select, including video size, language, and voiceover dialect. You can also add custom stock media or use the provided options, and change the media style. However, some options, like templates and AI avatars, require a plan upgrade. Once you have selected your settings, click Submit and wait for the video to be created. You can also change the background music and edit the script and media for each scene. When you are satisfied with your video, click the Download button. Select the resolution, noting that 1080p requires a plan upgrade, and format. And then click Start to export the video. Finally, click Download to save the file, and your video will begin downloading.